The best loser. Sam is baking. In the picturesque town of Willowbrook, known for its quirky charm, there lived a man named Sam who had a knack for turning the most ordinary events into extraordinary misadventures. Sam had set his sights on being the best loser at the town's annual bake sale. The Willowbrook Bake Sale was a highly anticipated event where residents showcased their culinary prowess by presenting delectable treats and pastries. Most people aimed to impress with mouth-watering delicacies, but Sam had a different goal in mind. The night before the bake sale, Sam donned an apron with colorful, mismatched patterns and decided to bake a batch of cookies, but not just any cookies. These were meant to be the world's worst cookies. He gathered ingredients that didn't quite belong together: hot sauce, mustard, and pickles, to name a few. With each strange addition, he giggled with delight, envisioning the reactions of those who would sample his peculiar creation. The next morning, Sam arrived at the bake sale with his tray of unusual cookies in tow. A crowd gathered around his table, intrigued by the mysterious smell emanating from the tray. "Try the cookies that defy all culinary logic," Sam announced with a theatrical flourish. Brave souls took a bite and were met with contorted faces, spluttering coughs, and uproarious laughter. Sam's cookies were indeed the worst anyone had ever tasted. As people sampled his bizarre creations, Sam regaled them with tales of his culinary experiments, each story more outrageous than the last. He shared anecdotes about mixing up ingredients, mistaking sugar for salt, and setting off smoke alarms in his kitchen. Word of Sam's hilarious bake sale booth spread quickly, and soon the entire town had gathered to witness his culinary catastrophe. People came not just to buy cookies, but to enjoy the laughter and camaraderie that Sam brought to the event. While Sam didn't win any prizes for his baking, he had certainly achieved his goal of being the best loser at the bake sale. His unique approach to life had once again brightened the day for everyone in Willowbrook. As the sun set on the bake sale, Sam packed up his remaining cookies, laughing along with his friends and neighbors. He had shown them that sometimes, in the pursuit of being the best at losing, one could discover the true sweetness of laughter and togetherness.